Good day, everyone. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I want to tell you welcome to our channel. Get ready for a comprehensive forex forecast for the week of 5th to 9th February 2024. So, I want you to stay informed on key currency pairs and market trends for successful trading decisions this week. I'll be sharing my screen shortly, and you'll be able to join us in breaking down the market direction. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below any question you have, and share this with your friends and your family. So I'll be sharing my screen shortly. Okay. Right now, you should be able to see my screen. You should be able to see my screen. Yes. So, currently, what we're looking at is DXY, the strength of the dollar, DXY. And for last week, we said that DXY will go from this point all the way down to this H4 validation point. But what we can see now is that the market went down from this point. Okay, it went up, and after that it went down, but it didn't get to this validation point. So our bias was still accurate. Okay, our bias was still accurate. If you had sold DXY from this point, you would have been in profit. Okay, so this was for last week, and we made some money with that move. Let's wait. My chart is loading up. My chart is loading up. Okay. So we made some money from that move. So what do we anticipate for DXY this coming week? Let me delete these lines. These are effects and not cause. Let me delete this line. Okay. So currently, DXY is currently in a 4 hours resistance point. A 4 hours resistance point marked from over here. It's a zone though, not a line. Okay, professionals mark their zones with a box and not a line. We have unfulfilled efficiency over here. Okay, eventually got fulfilled. Okay, so this is the zone where we're expecting DXY to sell from, because this is a resistance, more like a ceiling. Okay, this is a resistance, more like a ceiling. So we're anticipating a correction from this point for DXY. We're anticipating a correction, okay, from this point for DXY. So DXY is currently in that zone, okay. So that's what we're anticipating, a correction. Sorry for this. Let the chart load up. It's network challenges. It's network challenges. It's network challenges, but it will be fine soon. Okay. So from this zone, we're expecting a corrective structure for DXY to the downside. After this corrective structure, we expect what? One more push, because all the liquidity here, here, and here has been taken. Okay, so we're expecting market to go down, dollar to lose a little bit of strength, but before the week ends, it's going to gain massive strength again. Okay, so let's watch out for that move. Okay, so in that case, we go to the next pair, Euro US dollar. We're anticipating that dollar is going to lose strength as soon as the week starts, and before the week ends, it's going to gain strength. Ripple effect of the NFP. Okay, ripple effect of NFP. That's what's going to play out. Euro USD is currently loading. Euro USD is currently loading. Sorry for the delay. It's network challenges. Glow. Network challenges from Glow. So this is currently Euro USD. The chart is loading. The chart is loading. Okay, so current Euro USD, like we saw on DXY, Euro USD is also on a support level. What happens when the market gets to support? The market bounces on support. Support is more like a floor. The market bounces on support like a floor, and moves up. Let me say you get a ball and you throw this ball on the floor. The ball will bounce on that floor and go up. So currently the market is inside a support level, which is a floor. So we're expecting to bounce up. After it bounce up, before the week ends, that ball is going to go back down and break through that floor and go to this lower floor, which is the main floor. There are two bias. Either the market starts the week and bounce off this floor, or it just starts the week and breaks the floor one way. We still have what 60% chance the market could just break this floor, okay, and go towards this floor one way as soon as the week starts up. Seriously messing up. I'll share my screen again. I'll share my screen again. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Breaking network transition. Not data here, but no, it's just messing up. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to like this stream. Okay. So currently we have Euro USD on the chart, and we're saying that the market will bounce from this floor. We already explained DXY. We see that DXY is going to lose strength as the week starts up because DXY was in a resistance. But now Euro USD is at a support. So Euro USD is the inverse of DXY. And Euro USD is 90% correlated with DXY. If DXY is going up, Euro USD is going down. If DXY is going down, Euro USD is going up. It's the inverse, okay? So we're expecting Euro to gain strength as the week starts up. But my major trade is going to be this sell. My major trade is going to be this sell, okay? So it doesn't really have to do about you trading it. It all has to do about you placing quality trades. Okay, let's see what sentiment is saying. Let's see what sentiment is saying about Euro USD. On the sentiment angle of things, we have what bias is 56% currently at the zone. Okay, Euro USD is most popular traded pair. Okay, and sellers is 44% because we are currently at a support zone. I'm not surprised about this data. Okay, 56% of people are buying, and the total population of people that are buying this is about 35% of the total forex market. 35% of the total forex market. If the forex market is 100%, 35%, including banks, retail traders, and so on and so forth. 35% are buying, and there is about 56% out of the 35% that is long, while 44% is short on Euro USD. So that's what sentiment is telling us. So let's go to the next pair, XAU USD, God's money, XAU USD. It's loading. Okay, so XAU USD, awesome chart. This is one of the pairs that has been trending to the upside perfectly, giving swift and simple execution. We got two trades last week that was perfect. We sent it to the VIP group. So if you want to be part of our VIP signal, the link is going to be on the description. Click that, fill the form, and gain access to the VIP instantly. Okay. So for gold, we see that the market broke this structure to the high. Market broke this structure to the high. That's what I see for gold. It broke this structure to the high with this week. Okay. So since the market broke this high, it broke this high and came back down. The last support level is this candle here we see here. The market got into that support level and has been going up. I was anticipating a buy from this area on Friday, but it was already end of the week. So me buying from this point on Friday was quite not a good choice to do. Okay. So what played out was that the market broke this high. The market broke this high and came back to this support level. What I expect is the market broke this high, okay, for gold. The market broke this high with this week and came back to this support level. This support level, which is a floor. I can see the market bounced on that floor and is now going up. I anticipate market to come back into this current level where we have a lot of sells, where there was a massive sell-off. Then we can see another what drop. If DXY gains strength before the week ends, then we can anticipate a drop. If doesn't come, we still see an area over here which gold can get to first before that massive drop we're waiting for plays out. This is a resistance. Okay. So that's what I see currently on gold. But from the current level, I see buys coming in on gold because gold has been trending to the upside. You see, trending smoothly to the upside, uptrend to the upside. The trend is your friend. So let's see what everybody thinks about gold sentimentally. XAUUSD. XAUUSD. Okay, sentimentally XAUUSD, we have about 56% is short and 44% is long. 56% is short, but 4% is long. So the bias of us anticipating a sell. The chart is currently loading. Let's give some time to load. Okay, I will try to use the arrow, Daniel. Daniel said I should use the arrow when explaining. I'll try to do that. Just that I'm having a little bit of network challenges from Glow. I have a little bit of network challenges from Glow from my own end. Their service is currently poor right now. Okay, come on, let this chat load up now. Okay, sorry for the break in network transmission. I'll try to use the arrow, Daniel. It's just that the network is currently poor from Glow right now. So we already saw statistics from the sentiment that a lot of sellers are into the market. So we'll be anticipating after this corrective structure, okay, after the corrective structure, and that sell will come on gold. And we'll be aiming towards this support level over here. We have a support level over here. The market needs to come and fill. Okay. So the next on the list is AUD USD. It's loading. It's loading. Sorry for the break in network transmission. We're having a little challenge with Glow network right now. But I've already explained Euro USD. I explained XAU USD. We're currently about to explain AUD USD. Okay. Then we'll wrap it up by explaining Bitcoin. Okay. So after AUD USD, wrap it up by explaining Bitcoin. Let the chat load. Let me refresh. Let me refresh that chart. It's loading. It's loading. AUD USD currently that we want to analyze. We have already explained gold and Euro USD and DXY. So we want to explain AUD USD. And a lot of you caught the signal on AUD USD for my VIP students. We got about 1:3, but the market went to about 1:5. If we had risked 1% of our account, we'd be making 5% of our account. Market fell about 100 pips on AUD USD on Friday, but we got just 60 pips and we're out from the market. So this is AUD USD right now, guys. AUD USD. So based on our trade, this was our we got this sell from here and market fell. Market is currently inside a support level. So the same bias I have for Euro USD. When DXY loses strength this week, there's going to be an up push for AUD USD, corrective structure to the upside, and then the sell to the downside to end the week. Okay, that's what I see for AUD USD. Let's see what sentiment thinks about that. AUD USD, what other traders think about that. This is AUD USD. So currently, from the current level, a lot of traders think that AUD USD is going to buy. You see 68% long, 32% short. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised because the current zone where AUD finds itself, the current zone where AUD finds itself, it needs to buy because it has a support. Let it load up. Let the chart load up. Why is this network so bad this evening? So slow and sluggish. Unlike it before. Today. Chart is loading, guys. Chart is loading. AUD I already explained the structure. The market is at a support level. The last time we saw the chart, the market is at a support level. Then sentiment says that a lot of traders are buying AUD against dollar, which I'm not surprised. 63% are buying AUD. Why giving me euro? I selected AUD. Let me select that again. Okay, it's loading. Sorry for the sluggish network for today from Glo. Probably going to change to Airtel because they are the best now in Nigeria, and they're part of the top company in Nigeria that has over a 1 trillion naira market cap in the stock exchange, alongside UBA Bank. Those guys, they are good. They have a 1 trillion naira, so they are developing, employing people, developing 5G network. Probably going to consider switching to their MiFi. So this is AUD USD. We saw sentiment 62% long because AUD is currently at a support level. This market fell about 100 pips. This market fell about 100 pips from here, from this top over here. The market fell about 100 pips. So sentiment currently, this is there's a support level here. Okay, but I can see the market broke this low. The market broke this low with this candle. Okay, it broke it. So sentiment is saying buys, but the buy is going to be corrective structure. I have a psychological level here. When the market gets to psychological level, then I'm looking for sales. My major trade will be sales. I'll not be looking for the buys. Why I'll not be looking for the buys is that the buy entries might not go alike or go according to my trading strategy, because whenever the market whenever the market is correcting, it might not play out based on your strategy. But whenever the market wants to trend to the downside, like when we cut this sell, we got 60 pips sell, but the market went 100 pips. It went as upon our entry criteria. So to wrap it up, we're going to BTC USD, the people's money. BTC USDT. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section and I'll do justice to answer those questions. Okay? BTC USDT. BTC USDT. It's loading, guys. BTC USDT. Blue network. So sluggish today, unlike before. BTC USDT. That's that. It's loading, guys. After this, we go to this fundamentals. We go to the fundamentals. That's what we check out next. Fundamentals of the market. We are expecting to see next week. I think the fundamental is already loaded. Okay, let's just okay. So this is the fundamentals, okay, for this coming week. On today, this evening, we have a AUD Judo Bank Service PMI. AUD Judo Bank Service PMI, okay, and this is going to determine if AUD will be weak or strong. If the bank service PMI, this is 47.9, is higher than 47.1, which is good for AUD. If you get something like 48, it's extremely good. So I'm going to see more of a deeper corrective structure on AUD. Then tomorrow morning, exactly by 1:30 a.m., we have AUD balance of trade. This has to do with imports and exports within Australia. And if balance of trade, if you have more imports more than exports, it's bad for the currency. If you have more exports more than import, it is good for the currency, and it also generates revenue for the country. Then London session, we have euro balance of trade. This is going to give strength to the euro pair, and we see 18.8 billion euros against 20.4 billion euros. If we have a figure higher than 18.8 billion euros, it's good for euro. So we'll be watching out for this news during London session. We have service PMI for Spain, service PMI for Italy, service PMI for France, service PMI for Germany, and service PMI for Euro Central. That's London session. All these things can either give strength to euro or weaken the euro more. Then we have service PMI for GBP as well, London session. During New York session, exactly by 3:30 p.m. West African time, we have service PMI for Canadian dollar. We have global service PMI for USD and ISM service PMI for USD as well. It's two different things. Then we finish up the fundamentals. Okay, so this Bitcoin currently, like I told you guys last week, and spare market to go down. After going down, it's going to go up, and that's exactly what market did. Market started off last week, Sunday. It went down to about 41,753 dollars, and then went up to about 43,500. So currently, what I anticipate market to do as well right now for Bitcoin is more up push, more up push. Okay, it's going to go down probably close to this candle over here, the $42,000 or 42,300 dollars mark, and then from there we can now start seeing more up push to head to about 45,000 or 44,500. Yeah, 44,500 or so. So I'm still seeing more up push for Bitcoin currently. I've not seen any down structure. Okay, this was the level I told you guys to buy at 38,500, and then now it is close to this point. So I'm expecting to get to 44,500 first before we can split any other move. Then to wrap up the fundamentals, we have interest rate decision for AUD on Tuesday by 4:30 a.m. in the morning. So if this is unchanged, it's going to make the AUD to be weak. Okay, and then London session we have retail sales for Euro Central. Then we have as well retail sales multiple months for Euro as well. London session that Tuesday. Then we have PMI, Producer and Manufacturing Index, Producer and Manufacturing Index. Then for Canadian dollar by 4 p.m. West African time. Then we have unemployment rates for New Zealand in the evening by this is 10:45 p.m. and employment changes by 10:45 p.m. for New Zealand. So be watching out for that. Wednesday we have Swiss franc unemployment rate. This could make Swiss to be weak or strong. If the unemployment rate is higher than 2.4, it's bad for Swiss franc. But if it is lower than 2.4, it's good for Swiss franc. Then we have retail sales year over year for Euro, Italy to be precise. Retail sales multiple months for Euro, Italy to be precise. This is London session by 10 a.m. Then New York session we have a balance of trade for Canadian dollar. We have to do with total imports minus total exports. And then if the import is higher than the export, it's bad for the Canadian dollar. If the export is higher than the import, it's good for the Canadian dollar. Then on Thursday we have continuous jobless claims. The the job market in the United States has been weak, so we can expect a weak uh, dollar move on Thursday. But if we see a good labor market result, then we can be able to forecast otherwise and see the dollar gain some strength. Then on Friday we have Euro CPI for Germany, which has to do with inflation. Euro CPI for Germany, which has to do with inflation. If the figure is higher than this, it's good for Germany. If we have probably 118, it's good for Euro on Friday. Then unemployment rates for card and employment changes for card. So this is what we have for this week. I'm so sorry for the brief network transmission. I didn't anticipate for this to be this long. I didn't anticipate for this video to not work out very well. I'm so sorry for the break in network transmission. It was all caused by Glow. Probably I'm going to have a backup plan next time. I'm going to get a MiFi, two MiFis, and one for Blue, one for Airtel. I'm going to subscribe the two. And if Glow is messing up, I'll just switch over instantly so that we can have the swift flow of the market fundamental technical breakdown. I just broke down to the fundamentals. If you want to learn about trading, you want to know more about trading, and you want to start up your trading journey, I will I'll be dropping this link to this Cello website on the description. Just go to the Cello website and then click on 10x Digital Link Education course. Okay, 10x Digital Link Education course. When you click on the website, it's going to take you to a page like this. The page is loading. Let's give some time. We have different packages for the course materials. Okay, what you gain access to as soon as you click the Cello link is this. Okay, so you can either go for our free content like our book on real estate, how to make 6 figures from Airbnb. You can also go for our forex book, how you can become a passive income machine with forex trading and crypto trading. You can also go for the forex and crypto offline trading journal. Over here we have the Tenet Digital Link Signal. If you just want to subscribe for our Signal, okay. I already dropped the link for our Signal to subscribe for our Signals. Well, I'm trying to offer our Signal community, the VIP Signal community, for February. Free for February. I have my reasons for that. So this Signal community is free. I already dropped the link on our social media on Telegram or WhatsApp. Click on that link, fill the form. You don't have to fill your name, your email, your phone number, and you gain access to the February VIP group. So I'm watching out. I'll keep posting the link. I'll keep posting details this week. And if I get less people join by the end of this week, I'll just have to close out the group because those who are currently in the February Signal group are already students who have paid for it. But those who are not part of it, who are subscribers, I'm anticipating that you guys will join and be able to get this value. Okay, so I dropped the link on the WhatsApp and the Telegram community. I didn't drop it on Facebook. I didn't drop it on Instagram. I didn't drop it on Twitter. I didn't drop it on LinkedIn. I didn't drop it on TikTok. Just Instagram. Sorry, WhatsApp and Telegram. That's where we send our signals to. Okay, so that's why I dropped it. Then passive income. If you want to learn the course, this is the one you need to click on. And this is our book. If you want to get our textbook, but if you get this course, you gain access to the textbook, you gain access to the signals, you gain access to the one-on-one mentorship. These are what you gain access to. First of all, select which one you're going for. Either for a month, for 3 months, for 6 months, or for 1 year. The higher you go for, the more discounts you get. Let me show you what you gain access to when you purchase these materials from us. You first of all gain access to our online website. Okay, access to our online website. You have a website www.tenexdigitallink.com. That's what you gain access to. I already broke down everything you get. Okay, just few of it, but I want to show you the most juicy part of it. The most juicy part of it. You have to first of all select a package, either 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. After you select that, you need to select your mode of payment. You need to select your mode of payment. Either you're paying with bank transfer, we provide for you bank transfer, you make your transfer, or you pay through debit card. You can pay through debit card on this website from any part of the world, in US, in Canada, anywhere you are, Israel, Ghana, anywhere you can pay with your card. You have to reach out to us to pay with crypto. This platform does not accept crypto. And then first, after you make your payment, you're going to get access. If you pay for 1 year, you see it's going to be 1 year intensive online bootcamp. Depending on the price you pay, this will be relevant. Then we have our guest trainer. We'll be bringing guest trainers from London, and we'll bringing one guest trainer from New York to handle you. And then this is worth about $460. I have to pay them to be able to cover that training for you. Then we have free forex software files, indicators that you will use. Okay, indicators that you use that will help you to be able to analyze the market. We're going to give you that. Then we have forex VIP signals. You'll be added to our VIP group, and I cannot place any value on this because if you place the trade accurately, you can make about 1,000% of your accounts. Then we have a free membership into the VIP community. We have a community on every social media platform: LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. You gain access to this community, and you can be able to communicate, you can be able to interact with everyone. Then you have Forex one-on-one mentorship session with me. Wherever you find difficult, any part of the course you find difficult, you call my attention, and then I'll break it down for you one-on-one. You'll be able to understand it, take the necessary steps, and see the results. Then you gain access to our textbook, like I told you, Forex Mastery, Guide to Trading Success. You gain access to it. A certificate of completion when you're done. When you're done with learning the pro and the basic, okay, you go through a test. If you pass this test, we give you certificates. This certificate shows that you can be able to manage accounts, yours and also investor accounts. If you go for the 3 months package, the 6 months package, or the 1 year package, you're entitled to a $5,000 account. So if you look at our flyer up here, we say that this is passive income generator for high income earners. You learn finance, digital trading, and real estate on our platform. Apply the knowledge to earn money in these industries. So you learn how to manage forex trading accounts about 5,000 to $1 million with our test. When you pass our test, you can be able to handle that definitely. Then you learn how to earn passive income in real estate, short-let property business. Okay. You also learn how to build a wealthy mindset, because the mindset is what differentiates you from every other person, both in trading, both in business, both in health, both in everything you do. Mindset differentiates. Then you gain access to our new book and then live trading sessions as well. We have over 3,629 students who have purchased our course globally around the world. And we have a free package we offer, because we want to impact about 10,000 students this year. So we're offering a free package to our financial knowledge class. We're offering that free. If you just want to gain access to the financial knowledge class free, you reach out to us, customer support, and then we'll guide you through. I hope I was able to break this down for you. Please don't forget to smash the like button, share this, and I wish you a profitable trading week.